Alright guys, here we go. This is the second part of my print, my 3D print here. Finished up today. Thompson Dental. It's a card holder here. So let's pull this out. And remember, that's going to go along with this tooth that is a pen holder. And supposedly, hopefully, this will fit down into here, into that cavity there. First we'll have to clean it up. It looks like there's a little bit of stringing in there, not too much. The letters did pretty well. They came out really good. Yeah, so far so good. I'm wondering if maybe I should have made this a little bit narrower, but see, it's got a lip there to catch the cards. You put the cards in there. All right, let me peel this off here. Let's take a closer look at it. There we go. Oh, look who it was made by. TW Home Show. Haha. Put that underneath there, see. Very cool. I saved some material by angling this or putting a curve on the back side of it here, and then you can actually see the root of the tooth come out here too. So let's clean this up and we'll put both of them together, see how it works. I like this file for cleaning up my 3D prints. File works really well. It's got a long extension on there and other ends too inside the back of the cap here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show off a 3D print you might have saw in the beginning. It was printing on my 3D printer, and I just saw this online and it was a free download. I thought it was pretty unique, iconic. Everybody knows by the shape of this what it is. It's a tooth, and I thought, well, I'll add a cavity here, right? Little hole in it at the top, and then it could become a pen or pencil holder. And then I thought, you know what? Why do I want this around my house, right? I'm not a dentist, but I do know of a dentist, my dentist, so I thought he could use this as a pen holder, or I thought, well, in Thingiverse, I could create this design that would be a card holder and make a cavity, of a gum cavity that this could fit down into, and then hold cards with the name of his dental practice. So that's what I did. I took on that challenge, and I came up with this design here. And this is the business card holder, Thompson Dental. There's the cavity, gum cavity, where the tooth would go into. I saved some printer filament by making this curve right here, and then also you could show off the root coming out of the back, one of the roots. You know, if you're trying to use this as a display or something in your dental office. And I got it pretty good. It does kind of crack a little bit when it goes in there. Well, it's getting used to the shape now. So it fits right down in there like that. So you got two colors, the color of the tooth, the color of the gums, and hold your business cards right here. First, let's put our pen in the pen holder. And then I just picked up some business cards that I had laying around the house, and those would go up in there. So I've got a dental appointment tomorrow, by the way, for teeth cleaning, and I think I'll take this in there to show him and present it to him. See, there's the root coming out the back there. Oh, the cards just fell off. So guys, I'll go ahead and leave in the description the link to where you can get the print for this, the STL, if you'd like to print a tooth for yourself, a tooth pen holder. See if we can get this out. Just kind of jiggle it out, wiggle it back in, just like that. Right here is like gingivitis, right? Your gum line's too low. Right here is the perfect gum line, right? So you can show off that to your patients. Say, hey, you don't want this, your roots are starting to be exposed. This is a healthy gum line right here. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.